I'll be replacing the oil and also the oil filter. The oil is going to be extracted from above using this drain pump. This is the new oil. I'll collect the oil in this bucket. Have cardboard here so it doesn't make a mess. I will turn it on to make it so the oil is a little warm. It's a lot easier to take it out. And I also, because it's been sit here for almost 6 months, it agitates the bottom of the oil pan, and all the dirty stuff comes out as well. So it's very important to turn the engine on for a couple of minutes. Put the water in the back so it doesn't overheat, and that's it. All right, let's start. The voltage is not so good, it's 11, but it's been 6 months sitting here, so let's see. It wasn't bad at all. It did start very fast. It's running very smooth and clean. So next step here, gonna get the pump and we'll screw that on top of where the lever stick is, and then just start pumping the oil out. This device is so handy for these boats that I absolutely recommend you guys getting one. Way easier than open the plug in the bottom of the block. So really do that. This pump works very well. When you start seeing bubbles, it's because it got all the oil out. That easy. It's probably nothing in there anymore. I'll also change the filter, as I said. You can just take by hand. You don't need to tighten this very much. So just removing by hand here. Some oil will spill as you take this out, so I should have put some paper towel below. Have not, so got some oil in there. Flip it over, and there you have the oil. Installing the new filter is very easy. You just gotta make sure you have some oil on the gasket. So what I'm doing here, I'm getting some oil from the old filter, going over the new gasket, the rubber gasket there. Making sure you had lube in there, and then just tight with your bare hands. You don't need to use any tool. As soon as it really touches the metal, you just give a good grip and tie it by hand, and that's it. It never gets loose. It doesn't have any spills and everything. So that's very easy. This is the oil, the 10W30 that I'll be using, and I'll fill it from above. I did it completely by eyeball it. I didn't have another way to do it, so but I didn't get a lot of oil to spill.
See how clean and beautiful this oil is. Every engine will have its own capacity, so read your manual and fill to the proper line. As you end up filling your oil, go to your oil stick and do a quick measure, see if it's on the level. Keep it sit for a while, maybe run the motor once more and verify if it's on the right level line. I'll bring this close to you. I don't know, again, this level sticks is hard to read, and in the camera it's even harder. I wasn't able to get it to focus very well, but it was between the low and high on my stick, and that's where it needs to be. So you probably can see there, it's right at the middle. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you guys on getting this oil change. Very easy.